Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Philips Hue Premium Smart Bulbs 16 million colors review performance secrets exposed. Philips Hue Premium Smart Bulbs review the sound of quality machinery. When we talk about precision engineering, our minds naturally drift to heavy-duty transmissions, Swiss escapements, or high-performance turbine blades machines where every clearance, tolerance, and material selection speaks of unyielding reliability. Check the video description for the updated price link. Yet, inches the modern era of smart living, domestic infrastructure demands that exact same mechanical discipline. Enter the Philips Hue Premium Smart Bulbs 2-pack, a masterclass inches luminary architecture that redefines how illumination interacts with living spaces. Just as a fine piece of machinery emits a satisfying, muted hum of structural integrity, these bulbs project an aura of absolute engineering dominance. Inches a marketplace saturated with fragile, short-lived consumer electronics. Philips Hue has long stood as the heavyweight champion of reliable automation. When you screw these units into your lamps or overhead fixtures, you aren't just buying colored light, you are investing inches a heavily engineered ecosystem. Whether you are streamlining your workspace or building a cinematic ambience, the integration feels as tight and well-calibrated as a forged steel assembly. For those exploring advanced domestic upgrades, checking out resources like our related product guide will show you how high-tier hardware transforms daily life. The philosophy behind Philips Hue engineering is rooted in Inch's long-term durability and absolute operational predictability. Inch's heavy industry downtime is unacceptable. Similarly, Inch's smart home automation, erratic behavior, drop connections, and flickering bulbs induce severe user friction. Philips eliminates these failure points through rigorous thermal engineering, proprietary mesh networking protocols, and high-grade optical diodes. Throughout this exhaustive review, we will examine every facet of this lighting kit through the lens of industrial design, metallurgy, metaphorically speaking, electronic tolerances, and real-world execution. Every component of the Philips Hue architecture is forged with meticulous attention to detail. Let us break down the primary engineering specifications and hardware attributes that give this lighting kit its stellar reputation across professional and residential installations. 16 million colors and dynamic whites utilizing a multi-channel LED array. These bulbs can transition seamlessly across a vast spectrum of chromatic output. From clinical 6500K daylight to warm 2000K amber glow with high color rendering index CRI. Hub-required stability. Unlike Wi-Fi bulbs that clog up local routers and experience dropped packets under heavy network loads, Hue utilizes Zigbee protocol via a dedicated bridge. This creates a dedicated mesh network with zero latency and bulletproof stability. Universal ecosystem compatibility seamlessly hooks into Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant without stuttering, protocol friction, or annoying security handshakes. Robust thermal management. The internal heatsink design ensures that high-lumen operations do not cause thermal throttling, diode degradation, or premature failure under continuous multi-hour loads. Seamless firmware over-the-air OTA updates. The system architecture allows background updates that continuously patch security vulnerabilities and optimize hardware performance parameters over time. To truly understand why Philips Hue commands a premium status, one must look underneath the hood at its communication pipeline. Standard consumer smart bulbs rely exclusively on direct Wi-Fi connections, 2.4 GHz spectrum. When you have 20 or 30 smart devices connected to a standard household wireless router, packet collision occurs. Routers bottleneck, latency spikes, and bulbs become unresponsive via catastrophic failure. Inches automation logistics. Philips circumvents this entire failure mode by implementing Zigbee, a low-power, self-healing mesh networking standard. Each Hue bulb acts as a relay node. If bulb A is far from the bridge, the signal hops through bulb B and bulb Celsius. This is precisely analogous to a decentralized industrial control network where machine units communicate peer-to-peer to ensure uninterrupted workflow. The result is instant, millisecond-level response times when toggling scenes or adjusting brightness sliders. Inches your app. Check the link, Inches the description to get yours today.